way. And that's pretty close. I'm gonna go a little bit more, just in case.
Filling it with vinegar?
Yes, this is vinegar. And then I'm gonna put my burrito, baking soda burrito, in there. Let me measure to see if it's not gonna hit right away, and it is gonna hit right away. So I'm gonna cut some of this right here, so that I make sure that it doesn't hit all the way to the vinegar. See that? And what you do is you cap it as fast as possible, because the chemical reaction is already happening. And you shake it up and down, and unfortunately I think I have a leak, but let's see what happens.
Where'd it go?
And it went all the way over there. Okay, so once again, I'm gonna fill this guy up with vinegar. I'm gonna put about 1/3 of the bottle in. That's about 1/3 right there. I add a little tiny bit more just in case. Okay. And then I'm gonna see if my baking soda fits in there. And it does. Okay. Then I'm gonna put my cork as I hold the baking soda with one finger. And it's already starting to go. And I shake it, and let the pressure build up. Sometimes it takes up to a minute, depending on how much pressure I put on the fork. But it's about to stop. And that's our baking soda vinegar rocket. If you want to learn more about it, please read our website, and I hope you guys enjoy.